Hi, in this tutorial, I will going to show you how to use the checkpoint in SSIS. The checkpoint in SSIS helped me to rerun the package from the point of the failure, and it helped me to capture the error in a file. So let's dig into this tool and what's into this option in SSIS and see how it works. So I have here a package. It's empty package here I created for you guys. And let's see what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply, I will say here, select everything from store table. And I'm going to reflect that here in SIS, which is, let me run my task here and see if it's run successfully. Cool. The same thing I'm going to do here. Okay. Now I have those packages, those tasks, they have the same command and all they will run successfully if I run them, except this one that will be error out. And this is what I'm looking for. In case if I don't have a checkpoint and run it, I will see the first two will be run successfully and the last one will be error out. And if in case if I fix it and rerun it, they will run all of them again. But with enabling the checkpoint, only the one that has error will be run. So here I have, in order to enable the checkpoint, first go to the properties, select anywhere, go to properties, and the first three you need to change them. The first you have to go here to create a file, name it whatever you would like to name it. I just call it check underscore file failure in this folder. Okay, and go to checkpoint usage and select if exist and save checkpoint true. Then go to each task, go to the properties, and see, I would like to make it a little bit larger, and go to fail package on failure. Turn it into true. Okay, the same. Any task you have in a control flow, you need to turn the fail package on failure into true, like this. Okay, let's run now my package. See, this one, it's been error out. If I go here to my file and open the error, it will show the error here. The error is simply, I know it, which is I need to only add a with a break like this. Press OK. If I run it right now, only I will see this one will be run and my message will be uh, disappeared. Like the file that I have here, it will be gone since my package will be run successfully. So it's no need to keep the error message. See guys, only this one it's been executed because those two they've been executed already successfully. And if I go here, see guys, my file it's been gone. There is no need to keep it in my checkpoint folder. This automatically. So this is how to use the checkpoint in SIS. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video and see you for next videos. Thank you.